Oh my gosh, you guys, I made a fire. I made fire! First try. Still can't believe I built this campfire, you guys. It's like, it's another hour later and it's still going strong. A nice, warm, glowing campfire. I'm so proud. Sometimes I work nights. I built that fire like 2 hours ago. It's still going. My first fire. This is where Marshawn and I woke up. Right on the Elk River near Port Orford, Oregon. This is the second night that we've spent here. Right by the river. Our own private beach. This is how we found the campsite. We nearly missed it. If you need to sleep, turn here. Marshawn and I are sketching in Oregon at the ocean. Trying to keep things really loose today, not overwork this. So I'm about to start with the watercolor. As you can see, it is quite windy, but we'll do what we can. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. What are you guys doing? Do you mind me asking?
Oh, just making a step.
Hey.
My mom comes down here walking all the time.
Oh!
Must be nice to be an artist, huh?
It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
Where are you from?
South Dakota.
South Dakota.
Yep.
Wow.
Headed to California.
Been on a long road trip.
Very much so.
That's awesome. Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Thank you. Enjoy your night. I think we're gonna call it on this one. Hi, Riley. Needs a little gouache. And maybe some more pen line. We're gonna let it dry a spell. So here's my sketching spot for today. Down at the beach. A little windy. Alright, today I stopped for sketching along the Oregon coast near Gold Beach. Scenic overlook off of Highway 101. Sketching on top of my van again. Oh, it's gonna be cold. Woo! It's cold! There's a seal out here that keeps poking his head up every once in a while. Come back, dude. There he is. Oh no, I won't pick him up. All right, after about an hour of sketching here at Gold Beach in Oregon, I think I'm ready to call this one complete. Marshawn and I are going to travel for about another hour and probably just camp at a pull-off alongside the road. I don't think there are any national forests nearby that we can sleep at tonight. Marshawn and I are camping at kind of the first questionable place of our journey. The 101 is out there. There's the van. See if I can be here tonight. There's no sign saying I can't be. Sunrise near Brookings, Oregon. Marshawn and I are headed on to California for a few more sketching stops before visiting some friends that we met last year and then taking on a dog sitting gig. We'll see you there.